All right, guys, everything's buttoned up. We're gonna see if we got fuel. We're gonna see if this thing starts. So just to recap, the part on the cam that runs the fuel pump died while it was loose and bolted on wrong. Then we went through and fixed that. Then out of hunch, I tore the bottom half of the motor apart, like dropped the oil pan, windage tray, and found that number 6 connecting rod was not torqued down properly. Surprising, this actually comes from a shop. Anywho, and then bolted everything back together again, and now we're gonna see if she fires up.